Hello, beautiful souls. Now, we know a lot of people have struggles with anxiety, stress, tension in their daily lives. So we're just going to take you through a beautiful exercise to really help slow down your nervous system and really connect to yourself. So I want you to put your hand on your heart to connect with your heart, because a lot of us get quite disconnected, and put your hand on your lower stomach, because that's where we digest a lot of emotions, and we can have digestive problems, stomach problems. So just put your one hand on your lower stomach, one on your heart to connect. And then I just want you to close your eyes. I'm just going to focus on your breathing. Just give your shoulders a little bit of a wiggle to relax, as we can carry the weight of the world on our shoulders. And now I want you to take a deep breath in for the count of 5 and out for the count of 5. Take a deep breath in for the count of 5 and out for the count of 5. Take another deep breath in for the count of 5 and out for the count of 5.
Now I want you to think about all of the stresses or situations that's been on your mind over the last week. I want you to think of the times you felt stressed, or it could be the stress that you hang on to, whether it's worrying about the past, the present, or the future. I'd like you to put that in a little bubble, and with your intention, I want you to focus on releasing and letting that bubble soar up from out of your body all the way up towards the sky. I want you to witness as all that negative energy starts to drift off far away, releasing any burden of any problems or stress up towards the sky. Now I want you to release any trauma around any muscles or any pains in the back, any blocked energy where you may be having some health issues. And I want you to focus on releasing all that negative energy from the part of the body or parts of the body that you hang on to, and putting it all into a bubble and watching and witnessing as it's released into the sky, as it leaves your body and floats up towards the sky. And I want you to acknowledge any fears, immediate fears that you have that's holding you back. And again, we would like you to put it into a bubble of white light. Doesn't matter what the fear is, and surrender and send it off up into the universe. And witness as those fears leave your body as it gets higher and higher towards the sky and the universe. And then I'd like you to say the following words: Universe, God, Creator, whatever you believe in, please take care of all these fears, all this stress, all this anxiety, any problem, and I hand it over to you to handle. It is now your responsibility. Thank you. It is done. It is done. It is done.
And now take a big deep in for the breath for a count of 5 and out for the count of 5. Take another deep breath in for the count of 5 and out for the count of 5. And another deep breath in for the count of 5 and out for the count of 5. Just really feel that energy between your hand and your heart. Really feel your beautiful soul essence. And feel, what do you need to let go of to allow yourself to move forward? Feel for the answer. And make a promise to yourself that you're going to take the action now to let go so you can move forward. Open up your eyes and just feel yourself. Just give your body a bit of a wiggle. And make that conscious promise to yourself to really allow yourself to let go.